Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the move your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, select System, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. Over here, go into Theme and choose Show More to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off, and finally select Apply. Now, when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally select Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on. Lastly, tap on Apply, and when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!